Hi guys, it's Fernando from Fixipedia, and today I've got something different. I'm gonna do a little unboxing and a small review for the Nokia, or Nokia, like I usually say it, 5.1 Plus. And I've always been a fan of Nokia phones, ever since they started way back, even before the 3310. I mean, I had a bunch of them, and I even went all the way up until Nokia did the Windows 10. And I slowly, or quickly, fell out of love for Nokia because the Windows phones had one of the biggest problems for me was the apps. Didn't have any apps that you could, or hardly any apps that you could buy or have for free. So I turned to Android. I tried the iPhone, but then turned to Android. And fortunately, this Nokia 5.1 Plus is an Android phone. So let's unbox this guy and see what is in the package. Ordered this guy for me, so I'm gonna be doing a more, at least trying to do a more in-depth review later on, so I can show you the photos and videos that it takes. Got a cool little, small little box. Got a phone charger. Got some headphones, and because this does have an headphone jack, got a USB-C connector, which now I'm thinking about it, I'm gonna have to buy a few adapters for my mini USBs. It's got a SIM tray remover, manual, and that's about it. So I think spec-wise, this one is the Nokia 5.1 Plus in black. The difference from the 5.1 Plus and the 5.1 normal edition, this has a 5.8 inch display, and the 5.1 has a 5.5 inch display. Weirdly enough, this one is a little bit thinner than the 5.1, so the Plus is thinner by 0.2 millimeters, if I'm not mistaken. In total it's 8 millimeters thick. So this has a bezel-less display featuring a notch on the top here, and the aspect ratio is 19:9 HD plus. This also has a curved and front glass. Let me just take the sticker so you can see this a little bit better. I think it's gonna slide right out. And this is a thing of beauty. Yes, it is. On the top here you've got the little hole for the microphone for noise cancellation. You've got the headphone jack. You got on the side, you've got what I suppose is the power button, the up and down volume keys. On the other side, we've got the tray for the SIM card and the micro SD. The micro SD on this guy can go up to 400 gigabytes. And the internal memory of it is 32 gigabytes. These back cameras, there's a 13 megapixel and a 5 megapixel with the LED flash and the fingerprint reader on the back, which is, I think it's perfectly positioned. So at least for my hand, I don't have small, I've got medium size hands, so for me it's perfect. It's got a slight, you can see a slight little, protruding of the camera, the back camera. So in the bottom you've got the microphone hole, you've got the USB C connector, and you've got your speaker output. And it's yeah, it's curved glass. I mean, I'm gonna have to get a case for this, because this is like a fingerprint magnet. So let me just see if I can open this up just to show you. Okay, for the SIM card and for the micro HD, or for the micro SD, I mean, memory card. Okay, let's just close it up and turn it on. I checked out the site, and this is, at least the Nokia 5.1 Plus is available in all white or all black, just like this one. This comes equipped with stock Android 9 Pie. That means it's got faster updates. I mean, there's no bloatware like other manufacturers put in. So software that sometimes you never use and comes with the phone and you can't remove or you can't uninstall, you don't have to worry about that. Which means that you're not gonna have so many crashes. You're not gonna have a slow phone because it's stock. I mean, it's got the basic of what Android is supposed to come with. And that means as well you're gonna have more storage, and you know, more storage because you don't have those apps that come with other manufacturers like Samsung or LG or something like that. It does come equipped with the MediaTek Octa-core 1.8 gigahertz, and its internal memory is 32 gigabytes, and RAM is 3 gigabytes. Front-facing camera, I forgot to mention, it's 8 megapixels. I think the back one's got a physical aperture of f2.2. Okay, so saying that it came with Android version 9 Pie, but actually this one came with 8.1 Oreo, and it just updated to Pie just as I started. So just gonna do the first configuration. Okay, so my first impression, it's pretty slick, nice colors, very colorful screen, good contrasts. One thing that I do like on these devices, my last one didn't have, I don't know why, double tap just to activate the phone, you know, small things like that. The fingerprint reader is really fast, so just tap it, it's done. Basically just like that. Look at that. Pretty quick, pretty slick. Stock Android, which is nice. It's gonna complete a few settings. Okay, so I'll try and take a few pictures with this phone and a few videos and put them in the link on the description, or maybe do a new video showing it. I also want to test out the battery, because my last phone had a 4000 milliamp battery. This has a 3060 milliamps, which is 60 higher than the 5.1 Nokia. The weight, it's a pretty good weight. I don't like a really light phone, so this one's specs is at 151 grams. So it's pretty cool. You know, you got most of the features here: the Bluetooth, airplane mode, auto rotate, battery saver, screen capture. You got your light for the back LED, so which is a must these days. I mean, I use it every day. I'm always using the light for something, like if I need to find something. Basically, the things that I use more besides the light will be the timers, the clock, the alarms, things like that. I mean, now it's just a case of testing it. I use it a lot also as a media sensor to listen to podcasts, and let's see how it does during the day, and see how much, how many times I'm gonna have to charge it per week. I'm hoping it will be about a day and a half, 2 days of battery life. That's what I'm hoping, but we'll have to see. So thumbs up if you liked the video. Tell me what you would like for me to review, to at least test on the phone to see if it's worth buying. Leave it in the comments below in the comments section. Give it a big thumbs up if you like the video. Subscribe if you haven't yet, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned. Thanks.